Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the image scaling in your monitor. So at first we have to click the button which is here to open settings, and now we have to go to image control here. Let's click OK here, and now we can see custom scaling. Let's click OK here. Here we can see fill to screen, fill to aspect ratio. Let's click OK. Here we have overscan, and here we have on or off. We can disable or enable overscan, and we can go cancel. So that's all the options for custom scaling. Apart from that, we have sharpness. Let's open sharpness. Here, as you can see, we can modify our monitor sharpness from soft to, as you can see, sharp. And we can see the difference. I don't know if you can see, but I do. Apart from that, we have the video overdrive. Let's click OK here, and we can disable and enable video overdrive. Apart from that, we have dynamic contrast ratio. Here we can enable or disable dynamic contrast ratio, as you can see. And apart from that, we have cancel if we don't want to change the image control. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.